Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brands. Today it's a very late Boxycharm Mega Drop Shop unboxing. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe down below if you have not yet. There's also a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. I've had this box now for about 10 days. I'm so very sorry, you guys. This was my second order that I placed in February when the Mega Drop Shop was open from Boxycharm. If you are unfamiliar with the Drop Shop or Mega Drop Shops, if you receive any of the Boxycharm subscription boxes, you get to go in when the Drop Shops open up and shop for beauty products, hair, makeup, etc. for up to 80% off of retail. I will pop my last unboxing right here, but the second I finished wrapping on that one, I went and ordered more stuff. Just because this time around, it was just too good to pass up, you guys. So I'm going to open this up, get everything out, and I will show you what I got. Alright beauties, everything is taken out. You're going to notice that most of this I got 2 of, and that's because I'm going to be doing a big giveaway very soon. So I did get 2 sponge gels. I have plenty, so these are definitely going to be for giveaway prizes. Each and every single time that they do every single time I see sponge gel in the Boxy pop-ups, drop shops, Mega Drop Shop, I get them for myself and I get them for Caleb. I do warn you guys in every single video about these. If you're unfamiliar with the sponge gels, upon very first use, they are quite abrasive. If you have very, very sensitive skin, I'm just going to caution you on that. After you use them a couple times, they soften, they're delicious, they're yummy, they feel great, they smell great. I swear by them. I think at this point I've probably had 30 plus sponge gels. We have a problem. Sponge gel, call me. Call me. Next up, I got this Ofra On the Glow highlighting and bronzing palette. I will of course pop up pricing and stuff as we go and what retail pricing is. Everybody that I saw that got this, I think in Boxy Premium last month, I secretly hated you because this palette is gorgeous. So it is a highlight bronze, and then of course there's a couple blushes in here as well. I love Ofra's formula, especially their highlighter and like face powders. So I had to have it. Yeah, I was excited about that. Next up, I got another Item Beauty Lip Quip Lip Oil. This is in the shade Hey Y'all. The one that I have, you guys, I'm obsessed with this lip oil. It feels incredible. It smells amazing. It smells like sweet tarts or yummy peach rings or something like that. The doe foot is beautiful on it. I couldn't resist. I just couldn't resist. I also wanted to test a little bit more from Item Beauty, so I did get a couple products. this was like a little duo together. It is the Overdue Extra Intensive Moisturizer for dry skin. Yes, please. And the Fast Pass AHA Cleanser for oily... Oh. I didn't notice that part. Well... You win some, you lose some. It was together. I really love the freaking packaging. I didn't know that it said that. So that might go on my pay it forward, pal. I'm gonna read up on it. Next up, I got 2 again for giveaways. Real Her moisturizing lipsticks in the shade Never Give Up. I really love Real Her. The brow pencil is one of my all-time favorite products, like ever, of life. I also got 2 sets, sorry guys, of Flirtatious Looks Monarch Lash Pack. It has 2 sets of lashes and the lash tweezers, so we also got those. I also got 2 Cab Cosmetics palettes. I also got 2, these feel so freaking heavy, of the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist Hydrate and Glow. I actually got these for myself to try because I've been hearing a lot of hype about these. I don't typically like shit that everybody else likes and like hypes up. Maybe I'm just weird, I don't know. But I got these for me, but I might put one into a giveaway. We shall see. If you've tested this, please let me know. But you guys know anything that is hydrating and is going... But anything that's hydrating and glowy, I'm all about that life. So give me more, and more. Next up, only because I got rid of every single hair product that I owned when I shaved my head. And now I need one of these, so I should have kept it. But this was only 20 bucks. It was the Foxy Bae Mini Travel Flat Iron. I had one by a different brand. That one wasn't my favorite, but this seems to have a broader like head or top part to it. So I'm really excited to try this. And look how freaking pretty it was, y'all. And do I have the longest of hair? No, but this all like sticks out and kicks out, and I just feel like maybe it was time to buy another one. So we shall see. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of it. Next up, I got the Q-Veen. I think I'm saying that wrong, and it's just meant to be Queen. We did get their eyeliners and stuff in the past, but it's the Wifey Matte Liquid Lip, also to put into a giveaway. I got the St. Lux Lip Liner Duo, one for one person's giveaway and one for the other. Next up, I re-upped, even though I already have like 3 of the Real Her I Am Strong Definer Brow Pencils. Again, holy grail, I love them. I also got another, because I'd gotten one in a previous Boxy, the Estate Precision Liquid Eyeliner, of course, to go into the giveaway. And then for myself, and I've already gone through a whole one of these in the past, is the Butte. I'm not sure it's supposed to be Beauty or not. You guys let me know. It's Beauty Co. Whitening Teeth Gel. I really like these. Of course, I like to have pearly whites when I'm filming. And then I also was mad when everybody got this and I didn't get it. So I had to get it. But it is the Cupid Eyeshadow Palette from Natasha Denona. It's the little like 5-pan mini. And again, these are like $48, and I think this was maybe $16. I could be wrong. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Like, this to me screams like bridal. I'm excited to test this out. And then last but certainly not least, I'm going to just kind of show it because I don't want to get in trouble for saying stuff or showing stuff that I'm not supposed to show. But I do want to test this out, and if you are intrigued by it like I was, send Mama a message and I will update you. It's called Skinny Dipping, and I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say that, so I'm just not going to say it. But again, I will put all the pricing and stuff up. You guys, this was a lot of stuff for not a whole lot of money. I quickly want to test this out just because I've heard so many wonderful things about it. I'm going to say off very first impression, it's incredibly heavy. Oh my gosh. That is the prettiest little hydrating, like, setting type spray I've ever seen. It is a beautiful deep corally peach and white, but hopefully you guys can tell it has like this beautiful like pearl essence to it. Oh, that is so freaking pretty. Incredibly heavy. Holy crap. I'm not sure if you're actually supposed to shake this. One moment. Let me see. It is 100% worry-free, toxin-free, vegan, yay! Gluten-free and cruelty-free. No sulfates, no fragrances, awesome. No dyes, colorants, etc. It is also vegan and gluten-free. We never test on any animals. This sumptuous fine mist gives you a beautiful glass skin look 24/7. Boost radiance and luminosity and instantly calm skin in one spritz. Okay. Enriched with antioxidants, vitamins, and hydrators, this refreshing mist, so it's not a setting spray, gives you an instant glassy veil while it sinks into skin to work from within. Oh, okay. A cucumber-based... Oh, no. I hate cucumber. Oh, I hope I don't smell it. A cucumber water base holds extracts of star ingredients, peach, lotus, cica, and turmeric. Ooh, for maximum hydration, soothed skin, and a visible glow. The Peach and Lily 100% plant-based Volu Smooth Complex leaves the skin with an instantly refined, smooth canvas. Prep, set, or perk up makeup with this mist or wear your bare skin out. Okay. Mist liberally throughout the day whenever your skin needs an instant glassy radiance or a boost of hydration. Wear under or over your makeup. Okay, well... We're going to prime it and see. I'm very picky about my misters. Oh, it's very fine. Very fine. Oh my gosh. Let me just make sure I'm not smelling heavy cucumber. No, I don't. Okay, that's awesome. I was really nervous about that. Oh. Yeah, I don't smell anything. Okay. I have a fan right above me, so this may not be the proper place to be spraying. Ooh, very pretty. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say if you have oily skin, this is probably not for you. Yeah, that's beautiful. I don't smell anything, and thus far I don't have any redness or anything, you know, no irritation so far. And the mister is really, really nice. If you have tried the Glow Recipe Ultra Fine Watermelon Glow Mist, it's very comparable to that. Ooh, okay, I'm really excited to test the couple products I did actually get for myself. Keep an eye out. We're going to be doing a big 3K giveaway soon. I'm very excited. What did you guys think? Did you guys pick up anything? I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.